Welcome, today I'm showing how to disable quick launch into a Huawei Nova 9 SE. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and find advanced features, or accessibility features, sorry, this one. And here go into shortcuts and gestures, and first two option, it will be your quick launch option. So, for example, I want to disable ultra snapshot. Go into this option and from the list choose off and go back, and maybe go into a voice, and here we got turn off this option. So that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.